Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to create folders in Gmail. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Gmail and then select any email and then click on this little folder icon here, and now click on create new, and here you have to give the folder label or name. Click on create, and here we can see I have successfully created a new folder, and click here and label color. From here select a label color. So this was how we can create folder on our Gmail. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.